Oh yeah, show you guys today. My molds are pretty hard now. So every little piece, it had like, for example here, this is hard, but every place it looks like that, it's because I put some more on it. Just every place that's soft, and so it can harden, you know? But it's awesome, I love it. It's pretty nice, honestly. Like it's hard and everything. So I'm gonna show y'all when I take those off. Look at this beauty right here. I might not even do that bumper just cause these got hard too. Look, it's pretty nice. So that's alright. We'll see how that goes. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna take this off. So here it is, the mold. Looks pretty nice. It's pretty nice. So fucking cool. So the inside right here is all so smooth. You know, so nice. As you can see. It's actually pretty good. Oh my gosh, this is actually badass. There you go. That's my first piece. Or one of, not my first piece, but actually, yeah, this is my first good piece. Hold on, I'm looking for a freaking mosquito. I feel flying. It's the first good piece. What you guys think? Need to cut the edges still. All that. You can kind of see here the line too anyway, so. Wow, this is so badass. This is so badass. It's like elementary. Whenever you put the glue on the crayon box on top and you let it dry, just peel it off. It's stiff. I like it a lot. That's so badass. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's alright. This is trash, you know, but overall, it ain't that bad. I thought it was worse. Overall, it ain't that bad. What up, boy? Alright, so honestly, I don't know if I would use this. Just because the edges are pretty whack right here. It's really flimsy too. This one's flimsiest. See how it goes in my fingers. So weird. Look at that. Where's the other one? Huh? On the tripod, yeah. This one's kind of whack. But